In this lesson, you'll learn how to configure your data privacy settings in Shortcuts, including your data privacy policy, age of consent, data retention period for non-returning clients, and your data privacy officer email address. Firstly, you'll need to choose in your security settings who can configure your data privacy settings. Go to Setup, then select Configuration. Click on General on the left-hand side. Then select Security. Click on the Access tab, then select the security level you wish to edit. Expand the Configuration section, scroll down, and tick or untick Privacy Policy Setup depending on whether you want this security level to have access. Repeat this process for each of your other security levels to ensure that they each have the appropriate level of access. Press Done to save. You'll then need to restart Shortcuts to apply your changes. To configure your data privacy settings, go to Setup, then select Configuration, select General, then select Data Privacy. Here you'll see a default privacy policy, which you can update to reflect your own business's data privacy policy. If you already have your data privacy policy published on your website, you may wish to simply insert the link here. Once you've entered your data privacy policy, you can then choose to display it in places such as the new client form in Shortcuts Fusion and your Shortcuts online features. If you want all your existing clients to accept this policy, tick Client Reacceptance. Should you ever update this policy in future, you can tick the Client Reacceptance box so that clients can accept the new policy. At the top of the page, you can enter the email address of your data privacy officer. This is the person who will be responsible for sending your clients their data if they request a copy of it. The next setting allows you to choose how long non-returning client data will be kept in your system before it's automatically removed. Please note that data required for bookkeeping and reporting purposes will remain in your system. Only client identifiable information will be removed. By default, this will be set to 5 years. However, you should update this setting to reflect your own business policy. The age of consent will be set to 16 by default, but this can be updated depending on your business policies. This setting determines the age at which clients can accept the data privacy policy themselves without requiring a guardian to accept it on their behalf. Press Done to save. Then restart Shortcuts to apply the changes. Periodically, Shortcuts will prompt you to run system maintenance when you press the Exit button. Whenever you see the option to run maintenance, we recommend doing so. Running system maintenance will remove all the clients that have not returned to the business within the timeframe you entered in the Remove Non-Returning Clients After setting. In this lesson, you've learned how to configure your data privacy settings in Shortcuts.